When Ali first heard about Forex trading, he was overwhelmed. Charts, indicators, signals. It all seemed too complicated. From the moment he opened his account, things felt different. The platform was clean and easy to navigate. The educational resources helped him understand how to use indicators and manage his risk. For the first time, Ali felt like he had a partner in his trading journey. He learned how to spot trends, plan his entries, and manage his trades with discipline. And when he had questions, Innohedge Limited's support team was there to guide him, ensuring he wasn't trading alone. He tried using different brokers, but the platforms were confusing. Trading is no longer a guessing game for Ali. It's a skill he continues to improve every day with Innohedge Limited by his side. The spreads were high and there was no real support to guide him. Ali started to lose confidence and he began to wonder if trading was really for him. Then Ali discovered Innohedge Limited. Today, Ali trades with confidence, aiming for his financial goals while managing his risks. If you're ready to turn your trading dreams into a disciplined reality, join Innohedge Limited today. Your journey to confident Forex trading starts here.